Do you think BORCHE can only make injection molding machines? BORCHE can also make whole plant planning solutions for partners. Now, we are at Guangzhou SUNGOING Plastic Co, Ltd. Come and have a look with us. Hello everyone, I am Liang Kiguan from Guangzhou SUNGOING Plastic Co, Limited. Our Guangzhou SUNGOING mainly makes cosmetic packaging flip covers. Among these flip covers, we also have some conventional flip covers and some functional flip covers. BORCHE's injection molding machine is my first choice and is currently the most reliable choice. The BORCHE team has given us SUNGOING great support and help from software to hardware and even our entire set of solution outputs. In terms of injection molding machines, because of the high precision requirements, the entire precision output, and the appearance requirements are the core quality standards in our cosmetics industry, BORCHE. The injection molding machines are fully able to meet our needs. In terms of software, BORCHE can also give us good support and services. ARM system is also a plan provided to us by BORCHE. In terms of digitization, SUNGOING has improved its management level. In the 22 years since its establishment, BORCHE has always adhered to the original entrepreneurial spirit of profoundness and value co-creation. Whole plant planning, make the best use of everything. BORCHE provides SUNGOING with whole plant planning, including raw material storage, production process optimization, equipment layout, and other aspects. BORCHE BD's new generation of direct drive electric injection molding machines truly master core technology and are at the international advanced level. BORCHE B's new generation of internet injection molding machines. Innovative technology redefines smart interconnected injection molding machines. The new generation of Zhang injection cloud system, cloud management, and comfortable housekeeper for injection molding factories.